I've just made some incredibly delicious beet roast slices. It's like a nut roast, except I've got beetroot in it and I've got nuts and seeds. Every morsel is nutritious and good for you, and it tastes deliciously divine. You can have it hot with a roast dinner, or you can have it cold with salady kind of things, or as a lunchbox snack. It's one of my favorite things. Today I'm going to share it with you, but before I do, please give this a thumbs up if you like what you see. If you'd like to see more, be sure to subscribe to my channel and let me know what you think in the comments. I love reading your comments. Okay, let's go see how incredibly easy it is to make. The first thing we need is clean beetroot. Here's a couple that I got from my local farm shop. So I've grated mine. I actually cheated and put it in the food processor, but just do whatever you can. And then I'm going to use almonds, which I'm going to grind down. You can use all almonds. I'm going to actually use 50% seeds because that is my preference. You could use all seeds, you could also use pumpkin seeds, or you can use all almonds, whatever you want. So you want to grind that until you've got a really nice rustic meal. You see I've got a few little chunks in there, that's absolutely fine. Or you can get it finer if you want to, that's personal preference. And when you've done that, pop it in. And then I'm going to put a large clove of garlic, smashed and crushed. And then I'm going to put a teaspoon of dried mixed herbs in there. So basically you can put dried herbs in, which adds some more intense flavour, or you can just get a bunch of fresh herbs like parsley, garlic, just finely chop them instead and mix them in. That's completely up to you. I often use fresh, but I don't have any today. And then you want to mix it all in together and then get a hand blender in and just pulse it and see how it combines together. You just want it so it's nice and combined, or alternatively you can pop it in your food processor or in a NutriBullet in several goes and blend it up there. I'm just going to do it with my hand blender today. There you go, that's really quick. That didn't take very long at all. And then you want to get a loaf tin. This one is really old. It works every time. It's a £2 if you're in the US, about a kilo loaf tin if you're in the UK. And this is my favourite, my oven-proof loaf tin. And then you want to line it with parchment paper. And then you want to pack it into your loaf tin. You want to pack it into your loaf tin really tightly. So the trick here is to compact down as tightly as you can and then smooth it off. And then I am going to roast it in a hot oven. I'm using my mini oven here for about 45 minutes. There we go. That is nice and roasted and firm. So you want to leave it to cool down if you're going to have it cold, so it makes excellent picnic food or lunchbox snacks. If you want it as a part of your roast dinner, then you're going to slice it up and serve it right out of the oven. So for the most part it should slice together well, but just hold it firmly, give it a slice. You might get a little bit come off the edge sometimes, but it's pretty well held together. Oh, yum. This is incredibly delicious, super nutritious. I'm actually gonna slice some of this up and take it out for a picnic. I'm going for a hike with a friend, and then later or tomorrow I'm gonna have some with my roast dinner. So thank you so much for tuning in. I'm really happy that you're here tuning in. Please let me know how you get on, and remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.